Yeah. Okay. So, on the issue of entertainment, yes, it has been great. It has been great. In the past years, Ghana have had a more flamboyant entertainment. As compared to the olden days. Because more people with the advent of social media, more people have become more conversant with new ways of singing and rapping and advertising music. So it's been great. It's been great. Entertainment has been good. We have radio DJs, radio presenters who are helping more artists, in several ways, organizing very good radio shows and events out there to help people exhibit their talent. That has been great. Yes, yes, yes. Because when you look at a radio like Plus FM, yes, yes, Plus FM, they are doing a great job, And then we have some guys like Sammy Flex and Sammy Flex, we have a big Santana, and Bola Ray. Most of the guys are doing good out there, and I love that. Yes, I've been listening to radio for some time now, and because of where I am located right now in Ghana, I always love to listen to OFM. OFM is a new radio station, and yes, it's doing great inside Obuasi in the Golden City, and we have good guys like Jatta Boom Jatta, who is doing great on the Boswell Entertainment Show. Yes, I have been a panelist on the Boswell Entertainment Show and as well as a production member, yes, of the Boswell production team. And yes, for the little while that I was with the crew, we were doing great. And before then, it was great, It was great. Jatta Boom is a very good presenter, doing great interviews, presenting very good live chat shows and a whole lot. Entertainment news updates and a whole lot, all that, playing good music. Yes, that has been great. So Ghana in general, I have seen mostly I spend more time on the internet, so I see more of entertainment about Ghana on the internet, and I really love that, especially on YouTube, and especially when our entertainment gets to this climax, when you have the dons like Shatta, Wale, creating some confusions here and there, coming up with news, It's great, it's fun, though, there's that side of it that is somehow, very, very fishy, but then it all forms part of the fun aspect of entertainment when you have artists coming out boldly, attacking such media houses, which is uncalled for, but then it hypes the entertainment. And I believe whatever issue that Shatta has with Chatter House will be resolved amicably. Yes, very amicably, so that there will be more entertainment from Shatta.